How's it going, everybody? Student Trader here, and today's we're taking a look at Trxc Trxc. Good day for this one, up $1.42, just shy of 70%. We did let you guys know in the Patreon it was on the watch list. It was on the watch list a couple days back, trading days back. But even on today's watch list, we're letting you know at 270 here, and yeah, it completely rode up, as you can see, for a high of $4.01. So if you guys want to join the Patreon and get calls like that, click the link in the description. All right, so like I said, high up there at $4.01. Be a great. Well, now we have to break that really, because right now we're sitting at 357. VWAP's at 326. I wouldn't be surprised if we see a little dip back down to VWAP here. We always do. The stock likes to ride VWAP and push up. Good support at 308 as well. Like I said, if we can hold 340, that would be support. But we'll have to see where the after hours here goes and into tomorrow with the organization. I do feel stocks will be a little wonky, but we'll have to trade it the best we can. More support at 289, just because the previous run-up, low of 53 cents. Congratulations. And I will admit we didn't call it back here, but we definitely got it at least under $2. I'll guarantee that. We'll look back in the Discord. 1 year chart. Today's volume was 205 million, the highest out of any of the previous pumps. So definitely one to look at if you haven't traded it. Expect to trade on it tomorrow. Even if it dips, I'm sure there's going to be a 10-20 cent uptrend buy opportunity. With the earnings report that happened the beginning of November, it's obviously way better than the last three: -82, -41, -21. The company's headed really good in the right direction. We'll have to see about first quarter coming up here in a couple months. Their earnings report, but with 200 million shares of volume, even for a sub $5 stock, that is still very good. A lot of eyes on it. Retail traders. I don't think there's any institutional on this one. But where can it go? Take it out to the 3 year. So obviously, guys, the stock was at $90. We did have a 1 for 13 split, so the price is adjusted. But look at this, a nice curl up on the each candle represents a week here. So a nice curl up. The next stop past 4. I would say just $4.55, and then we'll have to see, because this, again, price adjusted. How reliable are they? I never found it to be I never found it to be like a 42 was support that it would come down, but that is just me. This was my technical analysis standpoint. But taking a look at the news now, it was featured in a lot of articles today, as well as featured a whole bunch last week. So they did have an offering about 31 million. Direct offering, cash run rate extended to Q4 2022, so that's going to be huge. The offering was at 125. Now, was it so approval for? So they got approval for the surgical unit, so that's always good. Now, I don't remember if they actually. Okay, yeah, okay, right here. So the company did already have his offering. So if you guys traded NNDM or what was the other one now? Man, I'm forgetting that. But it had an offering, and it had multiple offerings. So don't be surprised if we get another offering, maybe at $250, $3, or maybe even like $220. Really, because we'd have the spike up to $250 and then the pullback all the way down to $125. But that $125, if you guys get in on it, you already know that the company's at least worth $125 because of what the direct offering tells you. Right here, and the low was even 129, so that's very good. That would be all-time support as well. But if there was a next offering, I do think it will be the least I will say is $2. But again, guys, plan your trade your own plan. I'm not inside. I don't even hold any position at Trxc here. I'm just giving you my technical analysis. This candle really scares me right here. Undecisive red candle, but if we get a pullback, ride out. Hold $3 and push back up to $5. The chart is good. Stair stepping up is what you want to see for Trxc Trxc Incorporated. All right, guys. So, like I said, Trxc. If you guys want alerts in the Patreon, definitely join it. And I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Questions, comments, opinions, drop down below, and make sure you subscribe if you haven't. All right.